I know there had been some concerns about rain potential.
Yeah.
So my costume was just going to be guy with umbrella.
Okay.
That was going to be easy. But now I may have to change my mind. I may have to change my costume.
You might have to change it a little bit. It's going to be a little cooler by Halloween. Hopefully the rain's going to be out of here by the time the trick-or-treaters head out on Thursday. We'll get to that here in just a bit. Before then, though, it's still going to be warm, still going to be dry out there for you as we take you on out to the UNT campus here this morning. A little bit breezy, as you can see there in the screen. Those wind turbines are spinning around a little bit. We are going to have some gusty south winds through the day. That's the case this morning, and they get a little gustier as we go out this morning into the afternoon. Now, we are looking at some upper 60s along the Red River this morning for Gainesville and Sherman at 69, 70 getting out to McKinney and Greenville, and as we come over to Fort Worth here at 73, and those upper 60s getting out to Mineral Wells. So a mild, very warm start. It will be that way as we go through the day. The record high today is 90. We're going to be in the upper 80s, 87 to 88. Dallas over to Fort Worth today. So we'll see those temperatures climbing well into the 80s. Starts to come down with those temperatures as we head toward the middle of the week. Now, one of the things we do have to be concerned about today still, that elevated fire danger through this afternoon. Those gusty south winds, the dry vegetation, humidity still relatively low today as well. But the moisture will be increasing and those rain chances do go up. So let's talk about the pattern change that will be coming our way. A little bit later on this week, we'll have some passing high clouds out there as we go through the day today. Tomorrow, the front begins to work its way a little bit closer to North Texas. Can't rule out maybe a little sprinkle or two as that moisture increases later in the day on Tuesday. But then as we get into Wednesday, we may start out Wednesday morning dry, but that will certainly change mid to late morning, getting into the afternoon. We will see some showers and thunderstorms developing for the second half of the day on Wednesday. Some of these could be strong, potentially severe, especially up along the Red River on into Oklahoma. We'll show you that severe weather outlook coming up. The front pushes on through, and notice on Thursday morning, I still think we'll have some showers and storms around, mainly south and east of Dallas and Fort Worth. But then as we head on into the afternoon and evening on Thursday, by the time the trick-or-treaters getting out and about, looks like we will start to dry out, but then those rain chances do return as we head toward the end of the week, heading on into Friday. So here's what it looks like as far as the severe weather outlook is concerned. On Wednesday, we do have that marginal to slight risk for some hail and damaging winds, so we'll continue to assess that, keep checking back as we head toward the middle of the week as we update that forecast for you. So in the meantime, here's that 14-day forecast for you. We'll see those rain chances bumping up on Wednesday to about a 70% coverage, and they get a little bit higher, I think, Wednesday night going into Thursday. Early on Thursday, we'll have those north winds. Friday, scattered showers with us, and then as we get into the weekend, we are looking at more rain and thunderstorms back in the forecast for the weekend. So yes, we will get a little bit unsettled, some welcome rain and cooler temperatures with those daytime highs in the low 70s as we wrap up the week.